A customer brought their vehicle in, stating that the engine wouldn't start and that the check engine light was on. To verify the issue, I attempted to start the engine and confirmed it wouldn't turn over. I connected a scan tool to retrieve diagnostic codes and found P0562, system voltage low, and P2502, charging system voltage. These codes pointed to a potential issue with the vehicle's charging system. I began with a visual inspection of the battery and battery cables to check for obvious faults like corrosion, loose connections, or physical damage. Everything appeared to be in good condition, so I moved on to testing the battery itself. Using a multimeter, I measured the voltage across the battery terminals and found that the voltage was below the specified range, confirming that the battery was undercharged. To rule out a battery issue, I connected a battery charger to provide enough power to start the engine. Once the vehicle started, I used an alternator load tester to check the alternator's performance. I placed the battery under load and raised the engine speed to 1,500 RPM to simulate normal driving conditions. The measured alternator output was below the specified amperage, indicating that the alternator wasn't supplying enough power to charge the battery properly. Next, I used a battery conductance tester to test the battery's ability to conduct current. The test results showed that the battery was in good condition and capable of conducting the specified amount of current, which ruled out the battery as the cause of the issue. At this point, it was clear that the alternator was faulty and not generating sufficient voltage to maintain the system's electrical demands. To resolve the issue, I replaced the alternator with a new one that met the manufacturer's specifications. After installation, I tested the system again to ensure the alternator was providing the correct output. I verified that the vehicle started reliably, cleared the fault codes, and performed a road test to confirm the repair. The engine ran smoothly and no new fault codes appeared. The alternator is a critical component of the charging system, as it keeps the battery charged and powers the vehicle's electrical systems while the engine is running. A faulty alternator can cause a host of problems, including a drained battery, starting issues, and malfunctioning electrical systems. By replacing the defective alternator, I restored the vehicle's reliability and resolved the customer's concern effectively.